The UK immigration system is complex. It's designed with various rules and regulations. Sometimes individuals might not fit neatly into those boxes. That's where Leave Outside the Rules, LOTR, comes in. LOTR is a safety net, allowing individuals to stay in the UK even if they don't meet specific visa requirements. Discretionary leave, DL, is a type of LOTR. It's granted when there are strong reasons to let someone stay, even without meeting standard visa rules. This is based on compassionate or humanitarian grounds. It acknowledges that sometimes exceptional situations require flexibility. Think of it like this: the rules of the road and DL is like a detour. Sometimes the road is blocked and you need another way to reach your destination. DL provides that alternative route, ensuring fairness and compassion within a rigid system. It's important to remember that DL isn't a guaranteed right. It's granted on a case-by-case basis, considering each person's unique circumstances. The decision rests with the Home Office, which weighs various factors before making a decision. Discretionary leave is usually granted in exceptional circumstances. This means situations that are out of the ordinary and involve hardship or vulnerability. While the Home Office has some guidelines, there's no fixed checklist. Each case is judged on its own merits. One common ground for DL is compassionate circumstances. These are situations where someone would face significant hardship if forced to leave the UK. This could be due to a medical condition, family ties, or other personal circumstances. For example, imagine a person receiving life-saving medical treatment in the UK. Forcing them to leave could disrupt their treatment and put their life at risk. This might be a strong basis for granting DL on compassionate grounds. Another ground is humanitarian reasons. This often applies to individuals fleeing persecution or conflict in their home country. While they might not qualify for asylum, their situation might still warrant protection under human rights law. The key takeaway is that DL exists for situations that fall outside the usual rules. It's a way to ensure that the UK immigration system remains humane and responsive to individual needs. Article 3 of the European Convention on Human Rights prohibits torture and inhuman or degrading treatment. This right applies to everyone, regardless of their immigration status. In the context of immigration, Article 3 has become a crucial safeguard, particularly for individuals with serious medical conditions. The landmark case of D versus United Kingdom, 2008, established a significant precedent for Article 3 medical cases. The case involved a terminally ill individual facing deportation. The European Court of Human Rights ruled that deporting someone to a country where they would face a significantly reduced life expectancy without access to adequate medical care would violate Article 3. This ruling was groundbreaking. It recognized that a state's duty to prevent inhuman treatment extends to preventing avoidable suffering, even for those without legal permission to stay. This case established a high threshold for deportation when someone's life and well-being are at stake. The D versus UK case highlighted the importance of compassionate considerations in immigration decisions. It emphasized that the right to life and dignity should not be compromised, even in the context of immigration control.